Good day guys, welcome to Isekai Memories. Gabiru-sama here. Today in this video we will go to see what Raphael does. So let's go to his banner. Let's watch his ulti. Single target ulti. Single target ulti is very useful because most of the difficult battles has only a single opponent. So let's see the details. Okay, skill details. Unleashes a single target water magic attack or 450 normal damage, Tidal Tempest. So, a single target ulti. And his skills, ability modification, decreases all targets defense by 40% for 1 turn. And for 2 turns, you'll get increase in his own pierce power by 30%, and he's also an orb changer. For the beginners, changing orbs is very useful to the game. Let's assume you draw a very bad set of orbs. You can just change it with this kind of skill. Character traits. Okay, so character traits, you will unlock them once you awaken a 5-star character once. You have to level them up to 84 to activate these character traits. At level 80, they won't have any effect. The character doesn't have it at level 80. As you can see, awaken times 1, awaken times 3. That's it. And next, I got lucky. I got him from the free tickets. I've been playing for almost 5 months, and this is the first time for me to get a new character from the free tickets. So today is a good day. Let's see him on the interact page. Okay, so I changed Rimuru's appearance. You can change him to Raphael, but you can't use him, this appearance, to walk around the town. Okay, that's it. So now let's bring him into a battle to see him in action. Oops. Let's do the event. The Predator battle. This is important. It's a must-do battle every day. You only have 3 tries in one day, so please do those 3 battles. The rewards here are very important for your free ranga, so do them. Okay, now let's move out and let's see Raphael in action. 5 orbs of Suwei, so let's just use all of them. Suwei, give the chance to Raphael to shine. So this is his skills. Decrease all targets defense by 42%, increase all pierce by 30%, changing orbs, 1 orb to green. So I will show you how to make a full color orb. Okay, that's it guys, you have all of the orbs green, so you'll have a more stronger combo. No, because I will show you guys how Raphael is in action. Okay. Now we have a lot of orbs for UP, so let's swap Raphael to UP. Okay, let's use his skill, also run the skill. No, we don't need that because the enemy doesn't have a protection, a guard. Okay, let's try. Defense increase, press attack using him. Okay, it's not so strong though. I think his main purpose is to debuff the enemy. Okay, so we get a reward. Pierce attack for Ranga. This is important guys, you must do this battle every day to get the specific ones for Ranga, so you don't waste the perfect striking ones. That's it guys, see you on the next video. Happy gaming, and I hope you will get the characters that you want to.